Success is a road that not everyone can travel. It's a tough, lonely, and hard road, but it's worth it. If you follow others like sheep, you'll never know who you truly are. Only those who follow their own path can discover their true potential. Those who fly alone have the strongest wings. Those who walk alone have the strongest direction. The rest will always need attention, recognition, and support to survive. But here's the thing, you don't need them. You don't need anyone else's validation or approval to succeed. You don't need anyone else to believe in you if you believe in yourself. The best part is when you truly live the life you want to live, when you speak your truth, and when you embrace who you are, then you gain real respect and real love.
It's not easy, but it's worth it. When you fight battles alone, when you feel like you don't fit in, when you've never had support in anything you do, that's when you need to keep going. You need to believe in yourself, and it will all come good in the end. And when it does, not only will you inspire yourself, but you'll inspire others too. I know what it's like to fight alone, and because of that, I am strong. I've developed inner strength that can't be broken. I am unbreakable because of the pain, and I have character that most will never know. I appreciate others more than ever, and I have more compassion than ever. I had to go deep into the darkness, but now I have more depth. I had to face huge internal challenges, but now I can defeat any challenge. I will destroy every challenge, and I am proud of who I have become.
I am proud I have overcome. I am proud I kept going. I am proud of who I am and who I've become. I am proud I stay true to myself because now I can live as myself with respect from others and most importantly, pride and respect from myself. So don't be afraid to walk alone. Don't be afraid to fly alone. Follow your own path and discover your true potential. And when you do, inspire others to do the same. Believe in yourself, and the rest will fall into place. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and resources that can help you take your success to the next level. So don't wait. Click that subscribe button now and start your journey towards success today.